Okay, so example number 2. So we have 2 times cube root of 4 times quantity 3 cube root of 6 minus 4 cube root of 3. Okay, so distribute natin itong term na to dito sa binomial. So 2 times cube root of 4 times 3 cube root of 6. So multiply natin yung part na yan. So meron tayong 2 cube root of 4 times 3 cube root of 6. So ang sign nito ay positive. Pag walang nakasulat na positive or negative, that is positive. So positive times negative is negative. Okay, so dito naman yung 4 cube root of 3, multiply din natin dito sa 2 cube root of 4. And then ito yun. Okay, so multiply na natin. Since para sila ng indices, multiply natin yung coefficient na 2 at 3. So 2 times 3, 6. And then yung radicand na 4 and 6, we have 24. Then the minus sign. And then yung 2 times 4, 8. And then yung radicand na 4 and 3, multiply din natin yan. We have 12. Okay, so next, simplify each radical. So dito sa 24, hindi siya perfect cube root. Pero tingnan natin kung meron bang pair factor itong 24 na kung saan is yung isa is perfect cube. So ano ba yung factors ng 24? So meron tayong 12 times 2, 12 times 2, ano pa? Excuse me. 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So dito sa 2 and 12, 12 is not a perfect cube root. So 2 times 2 times 2, so meron tayong 8. So yung 8 ang perfect cube root dito. So alin ba dito yung may 8? So itong 3 times 8. So yan yung pipiliin natin na pair factor. Okay, so ito na siya. So 8 times 3 minus yung 12 naman dito is 12 is not a perfect cube root. So isulat na lang natin yan. Okay, so take cube root where possible. So dito yon sa 8. Square, cube root of 8 is 2. So lalabas si 8. Yan. Cube root of 8 is 2. So 6 times 2. So multiply natin yung coefficient. So 6 times 2 is 12. Cube root of 3 minus 8 cube root of 12. So hindi natin pwedeng i-minus yung 8 sa 12 kahit na pare sila ng indices kasi hindi parehas ng radicand. Okay, so this is our final answer.